Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to create your own avatar on Instagram. So nowadays or today's you can create your own avatar in Instagram, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So here I've already opened the Instagram apps, and then what you need to do next is go to your profile and then click on the three lines icon at the top and go to settings. Oops. And then here click on preferences, and you'll see the avatar option. Just select that, and here you can just create your own avatar. So I've already created my own avatar, and if you can change it anytime, so you don't need to worry. You can also delete your current avatar and recreate it. So first you need to choose the skin tone and then the hairstyle. So there are so many options that you can use on the apps: hair color, and also the face shape, face marking, and face lines, and also the eye shape. You can just choose each of these part of your face: the eyebrow color, and the nose, and the mouth, and also the lip color, and outfit and body. You can also add some accessories like this, ear piercings, and etc. And when you're done, just click on done at the top, and you can use your avatar to in your Instagram right away. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can create your own avatar on Instagram. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.